Okay, so I'm opening your quiz over here also. I'll be reading every question and you can solve it, okay? Yes, second. Okay, share screen. Okay, can you all see the quiz over here? So here it is. It says deserts and deserts of Pakistan, as we all have learned. Okay, who did this? Stop doing this. Okay, here is your quiz. It says deserts and deserts of Pakistan. Write your name, select your section, write the date carefully. First, they are asking for the month, then day, and then the year. Okay, and the question one says a dry place is known as a forest or desert. Mark the answer. Number two says, which desert type covers most of Antarctica? Okay, you know, as we have learned, cold desert covers or the hot desert covers. A desert goes, oh sorry, a desert does get a lot of rain. You know what does the desert gets? Is it a true statement or a false? Just mark it, okay? Great India Desert is also known as Thar Desert, Cholistan Desert. You know which desert is known as Great India Desert. Karan Desert is located in. You also know where is it located, right? So now they are, what are they saying is they are saying that, okay, what happened to this? Okay, now, okay, I'm just watching. I can see those who have done the quiz. Let me call out your names. Okay, so Hassanul Haq, I got your quiz. Then Asad Ahmed, I got your quiz. Ayan Ahmed, I got your quiz. Alishba Hamid, I got your quiz as well. Alahim and Abraham. I've got 6 quizzes so far. Okay, can you all assess the quiz easily? It's not that hard. I have again sent you the link of the quiz if anyone can't find and having an issue. Ayan Ahmed, you want to say something, beta? Okay, Ayan, wait, I'm unmuting you, Ayan Ahmed. Unmute कीजिए Ayan Ahmed आप खुद को. Okay, where are you gone, Ayan? Okay, unmute करें Ayan खुद को. जी Ayan बोलिए. Yes.
Miss place called the forest
बेटे से स्लोली आराम से बोलिए, मुझे समझ नहीं आया आपने क्या बोला, दोबारा कहिए.
Miss, the question is choices are foreign dead. What the is called?
Bete, I can't hear you properly. I want you to, okay, write it down in the chat box. Write it down in the chat box. I'll read it and then I'll answer you. Hassanul Haq, I got your quiz. I got your quiz. Hassan, you want to say something else? Hassan, आपको कुछ और कहना है? Okay, Hassan बोलिए.
Miss,
Yes.
a dry place is known as तो desert होगा. मेरा उसमें desert गलत लिखा हुआ आ रहा है.
Okay, I will check it. I will check it. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, I got now Ayan Abbas, I got your quiz. Ayan Ashraf, I got your quiz. Shabi Fatma, I found your quiz. Talbia, I got your quiz. Fariha, I got your quiz. Okay, I got 12 now. 12. Abraham, why have you done it again? You're not supposed to do it again and again. Bete, just do it one time. If you'll do it again, I won't be counting that one. I'll just count the first one. That's it. Ayan Abbas, I got your quiz. I got your quiz, Ayan Abbas. Ayan Abbas, you want to say something else? You want to say something else? Unmute yourself, Ayan Abbas. Ayan Abbas, unmute कीजिए. Unmute yourself. Yes, Ayan Abbas. Okay, unmute yourself, Ayan Abbas. जी बेटे बोलें. Ayan Abbas, I can't hear you. Ayan Abbas, आप unmute हुए हैं बेटे, आप बोलिए. Zainab, wait for a second, Zainab. I can see you. I can see Alishba. I can see everyone, but wait, let Ayan Abbas speak. जी बेटे बोले. Where is Ayan Abbas gone? Okay, he's gone. Ehsan Siddiqui. Okay, Ehsan Siddiqui. Unmute yourself, Ehsan. Sorry. Unmute yourself, Ehsan. Yes.
ये कह रहा था कि ना मैं क्विज कर रहा हूँ 2 क्वेश्चंस तो मैंने आराम से कंप्लीट कर लिए थे फिर मैं वापसी चैट पे आए जा रहा हूँ तो मैं आपको बाद में सबमिट कर दूंगा.
Okay. But do it, complete it today or tomorrow, okay? Because I will be checking it. So, okay, complete it as soon as possible. Okay, Arham, you want to say something? Unmute कीजिए खुद को Arham. Maham, sorry. Maham, unmute yourself, Maham, and say what you want to say. Okay. Zainab, unmute कीजिए अपने mic को और Zainab जी बोलिए, unmute करें Zainab खुद को. Zainab, unmute yourself, बेटा.
टीचर मेरा क्विज आया है आपके पास.
Beta, I will be checking it again. Once I'll answer all your questions, then I'll check and let you people know that who has submitted. Yes, Abdul Bari. Abdul Bari, welcome to the class. Yes, Abdul Bari, unmute yourself.
मिस आप अभी कौन सा क्विज मैं आपको मैं शाम को भेज दूं.
Why aren't you able to do it right now during the class? शाम को क्यों भेज दूं? अभी क्यों नहीं भेज सकते? अभी क्यों नहीं भेज सकते बेटे? कोई बात नहीं, आप शाम को भेज सकते
आ रहा नहीं तो शाम को वो
में आ जाएगा.
ओके
हैं, आप शाम में भेज सकते हैं बेटा, लेकिन कोई आप अभी भी तो ट्राई कर सकते हैं ना. अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, परेशान नहीं होते, कोई बात नहीं. यू कैन डू इट इन द इवनिंग. ओके, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, डोंट गेट वरीड. परेशान मत होइए, शाम में कर दीजिएगा. ओके. अलिशबा वांट्स टू से समथिंग. अलिशबा बोलिए.
टीचर आपको मेरा मिल गया.
जी मिल गया. जी अब्राहम बोलिए.
टीचर
जी बोले अब्राहम.
सबमिट हो गए थे.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, no problem. It's a mistake. It's absolutely fine. No problem. Don't get worried. Okay, Hiba, you wanted to say something? In the end of the class, I will be calling again the names, those who have submitted. And Hiba, unmute yourself. Hiba, unmute yourself. Mahin, wait, I'll unmute you after Hiba. Hiba, bete, unmute yourself.
मिस
Yes.
मिस मैं कह रही थी कि वो नेट इशू की वजह से ना तो मेरा वो खुल नहीं लग पा रहा था, तो आप फिर से मुझे भेज देंगे ताकि मैं ज्वाइन कर लूँ.
Okay, I will be sharing that link on the WhatsApp group as well. Okay, so you can do it from there. Okay,
मिस चैट बॉक्स में भेज देंगे.
मैं okay chat box में दोबारा भेज देती हूँ. Yes, Mahin, unmute yourself. Mahin, unmute yourself, बेटा. बोलिए Mahin.
ठीक है, मैं कह रही थी कि अभी आप वो उसके मार्क्स कब बताएंगी?
I will be telling the date in the through the WhatsApp group.
और टीचर मैं ये भी और ये पूछ रही थी बल्कि कुछ नहीं.
Ayan Abbas, bete, you want to say something? You left the meeting. Ayan Abbas, you want to say something? Say yes. You want to say something, Ayan? Ayan, unmute कीजिए खुद को. Unmute करें बेटा. जी बोले Ayan. मुझे बेटा आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. बेटा, I can't hear you. Ayan Abbas, I can't hear you, beta. जी yes I can hear you. बोलिए.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का आंसर मैंने सही लिखा है, फिर भी वो गलत आ रहा है.
Okay, I'll check it. Don't worry. I'll check it. Don't worry. There might be a mistake from my side. मैं भी तो गलती कर सकती हूँ. ठीक है, आप परेशान मत होइए. सही है, आप अपने आंसर को मार्क कीजिए. जो आंसर आपको सही लगता है उसे मार्क कीजिए. मैं चेक कर लूंगी. ठीक है, मैं देख लूंगी क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है वहाँ पे. ठीक है, डोंट गेट वरीड. ओके, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन यार?
नो.
ओके, यस अब्दुल्ला, व्हाट हैपेंड? अब्दुल्ला, अनम्यूट करें खुद को. आपने हैंड रेज किया हुआ है बेटे. जी बोलिए अब्दुल्ला.
मिस कुछ नहीं, वो गलती से हो गया था.
ओके बेटे. Okay, Ishal Yasir. You want to say something, Ishal Yasir? Okay, unmute yourself, Ishal. जी बोलिए बेटा. जी.
Miss, I have done.
Okay.
Miss, I have done. मैंने सबमिट भी करवा दिया है.
Okay. I am calling out the names those who have submitted. I have got 18 quiz. Okay, 18 responses of my quiz. I will be, I am calling all the names those who have submitted. Okay. So listen your name, just wait for your name, okay? And if I am not calling your name, then raise your hand. Don't raise your hand right now. Don't raise your hand. Don't raise your hand. I'm calling your name. If your name comes, don't raise the hand. अगर आपका name नहीं आता और आपने submit कर दिया है, then raise your hand through the Zoom, okay? You have an option on the Zoom to raise the hand, okay? Okay, everyone? Okay, because your class is about to end after 5 minutes. Okay, so Hassanul Haq, you have submitted your quiz. Asad Ahmed, you have submitted your quiz. I have got your quiz. Ayan Ahmed, I got your quiz. Alishba Hamid, Malahim, Abraham, Ayan Abbas, Ayan Ashraf, Shabi Fatima, Talbiha, Fariha. Okay, and Abdullah, Ishal Yasir, Mahin. Okay, Fariha, why have you submitted 2 times? I will be checking the first one only. Fariha, bete, you have done it 3 times. Why? Okay, Maham Asif, you have completed your quiz, and Zainab Khan. Okay, and Hiba, Abdul Bari and Hiba will be doing it in the evening, but complete it as soon as possible. Ehsan Siddiqui, I didn't found your quiz. Take help from your from Mama, and she'll be helping you, and then you can solve your quiz. Ayan Abbas, I got your quiz. Shabi Fatma, Talbiha, I didn't get your quiz. I want your quiz. Solve it as soon as possible. Okay? Okay, everyone? What happened, Abdullah? Abdullah, I can see whatever you do, you know? Okay, Abraham. Okay, Fariha. Okay, Hiba and Abdul Bari will solve it in the evening. Maheen. Maheen, did I call your name? I forgot. Maheen, did I call your name? Okay, okay. Okay, Malahim, I called Malahim's name. Maham has also done her work. Ayan Ahmed, you want to say something? If you want to say something, open your camera. Abraham, बेटे कुछ कहना है? Abraham, I can't see you because there is so much sunlight behind you. You're supposed to sit opposite of the sunlight so that I can see you. I can't see anything. Ishal Yasir. Ayan Ahmed, yes. Unmute करें बेटे खुद को. Ayan Ahmed, unmute करें. जी बोलें.
मिस आपने अगर पहला वाला क्वेश्चन करेक्ट कर दिया गलती है तो आपने थोड़ा सा और भी करेक्ट कर दिए होंगे
बेटे what is the question? Repeat it.
It's the first question. The question is a dry place is called.
Yeah, I just answered this question that it might be a mistake from my side also, right? तो कोई भी problem होगी मैं उसको solve कर दूंगी. जो answer आपको सही लगता है, बेटा जो आंसर आपको सही लगता है ना, आप उस पे मार्क कर दें. ठीक है, मैं उसको खुद देख लूंगी कि क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है और उसको सॉर्ट आउट कर लूंगी.
मार्क्स सही करे, आपने अपनी साइड से भी गलत कर लिए होंगे.
बेटा don't worry, I will be solving that problem, बेटा. Don't get worried about this. You will be getting the proper marks that you have, done the answers. You will be getting those marks. Don't worry. Yes, Abraham, unmute yourself.
टीचर
जी.
वो जो टू मेरी जो आपके पास जो टू आए ना वो मैंने बाय मिस्टेक सबमिट का कर दिया था. आई वाज इन प्रोग्रेस.
Okay, don't worry. हमारी इस बारे में तो बात हो गई ना बेटे, कोई बात नहीं. If the things are done by mistakenly, it's absolutely fine, no problem. Okay, so it's 3:30 and your arts class is about to start, right? So best of luck for your arts class, and then we will be meeting tomorrow for our maths class. Okay, and I want every one of you to sit with a rough copy, pencil, eraser, sharpener, and your complete pencil box. Okay, I want everything in that. Don't go anywhere. Open your cameras, and we will be doing something very interesting. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Bye bye.